I'm back with another video, and I'm back with my brother Logan. He is not here right now, and we're going to be basically cutting open a tennis ball and seeing what's inside. Hope you guys like, subscribe, hit post notifications, and peace. Alright guys, so this is the tennis ball I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to be using this multi-tool. And here's Logan. Go subscribe to his channel at Fortnite_God21YT. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we're cutting it open. Whoa. That's cool. It's just hollow anyway, though. I already know that as a fact. Just rip it. It's hollow. I know that. Maybe like stab yourself. See? You're such an idiot. It's hollow. Guys, it's hollow. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, hit post notifications. I never knew that it was hollow. Pretty cool though. Yeah, Logan said he knew it was hollow. And yeah. If you guys want to see more of our videos, go check out my channel and Logan's channel. Once again, Fortnite_God21YT. And yeah, that's gonna leave it off for today's video. Yeah. And peace.